I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Chef Joshua's Kitchen. Chef Joshua's Kitchen believes in we have to live life deliciously. No wonder they are recommended by Lami Y. Atik. They specializes in premium quality cheesecakes made fresh daily. And wow, ano naman ni Macapuno oy? Oh, okay. This is probably for the topping sa atuang ube cheesecake. So yes guys, ube nga cheesecake. And aside from ube cheesecake, they have another cheesecake in tribute to the Filipino heritage, and that is the BIBINGKA cheesecake. Yes guys, BIBINGKA nga cheesecake. And wait, what's this? Oh, they also have a spicy tuyo. For that, let's put the Macapuno topping first sa ito ang ube cheesecake. So diba, what could be better than an Ube Macapuno cheesecake? And what I really like, it was packed separately so kaya namubutang para fresh pag yun ang Macapuno. You can have this 6-inch ube cheesecake for 700 pesos. And true enough, slicing from it, obvious kaayo nga creamy good siya. And now, let's go to the BIBINGKA cheesecake. Interested kay ko, happy kaayo ko kay overflowing kaayo ang cheese, nga grated cheese sa ato ang cheesecake, and naapag yung salted egg wedges. You can have this 6-inch BIBINGKA cheesecake for 700 pesos also. Aside from Ube and Bibingka cheesecake, they also have a blueberry, strawberry, 3-in-1 fruit flavor, espresso, chocolate marble, Oreo, and a cheesecake sampler also. To order, you may just message their official social media accounts. So for that, mga nagidenta guys, nahon yun din ako ang Bibingka cheesecake. At kinsay dili ma-inlove o yung bibingka o cheesecake nga gi-combine. And ang salted egg nalingaw sa kukay naasagod siya mismo sa cream cheese. And now, let's go to the ube. Well, I think ibaw naman good mo na I really love ube, no? So, ube plus Macapuno. Perfect. And cheesecake siya ha. So, di lang siya regular nga cake. So, lami jud kayo siya. And mga patag more Macapuno. Why not? And kana galing mahurot magidayon nako. But I was planning to eat like half lang. Pero marag mahurot gidayon nako ang one slice. But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts. And let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!